Good morning, gorgeous ladies. Happy Monday. I hope you had a fabulous weekend and you are ready to smash this week. So I wanted to come in here and do a super quick training for you guys all about how to price yourself. Now, this is a question that I get asked all the time, and I see so many of you pricing yourself so low. Like, why? Why are you pricing yourself so low? Basically, you have the power to charge whatever it is that you want to charge. You do not need permission from anybody to charge a certain price. It's like you're asking the universe for, okay, so what should I charge for my services? Like, how much should I charge? How much am I worth? Guys, you cannot put a price on yourself, okay? Because there's no price. It's priceless. You cannot put a price on you, but you can put a price on the value that you bring to your clients. So I want you to get out of this mindset of it's all about you and it's up to you. Like, you have to value yourself. You have to put a price on you. It's not like that. You need to put a price on your services and the value that you bring, but the price that you charge does not correlate to you as a person, okay? So that's one thing that we need to get out of this mindset, that it's not you, it is your business, it is your services, and it is your prices. And again, you do not have to wait for permission from anybody. You get to charge whatever it is that you want to charge. What are you bringing to the table? Hi, Louise. Hi, honey. And hi, everyone else that's watching. If you do have any specific questions about this, then just pop them into the comments and I will answer those as we go along. So when it comes to pricing your services, what I would say is work backwards. So how much do you want to make per month in your business? So let's say it's 5K, right? Everyone seems to want to make 5K, and half the time I don't think people even know what they want to make 5K for, but we'll go with 5K. So you want to make 5K a month, and that's great, okay? So how are you going to get to 5K a month? How many clients do you want to work with at one time? So for me, my maximum amount of clients at one time for social media management was 5, because I like to go above and beyond for my clients. I like to be there answering questions. I like to be looking at new strategies. I like to be communicating with my client. I like to be engaging. I like to be doing all the things so that my client gets the best possible results from their social media marketing. Because what is the point in offering a super basic package and then still having to do all this, talking to the client, doing this? It's taking you so long to make basically £250 a month or £200 or $200 a month. That is not going to change your life, and you need to work with a lot of clients to be able to make $5,000. So you want to be working it backwards and thinking, what is the value that you can provide for this client? How can you give extra value? How can you add more value to your packages so that you can work with less clients and charge more money instead of working with more clients and charging less money? Because let me tell you, the clients that pay the lowest amount of money are the most demanding, are the most frustrating. They want the world from you for basically nothing. And if you are someone that is always looking for the cheapest option, if you are someone that is always looking for the basic package and everything, have a look in the mirror, right? So if you are only attracting this quality of clients, then it's all to do with you and your money blocks and your money mindset. Because if you think like that and if you have that mindset, then that is who you are going to attract back, because we are a mirror. We reflect what it is that's going on in our internal thing. Inside of us is what we reflect. So what I want you to do is to start raising your prices, raising your standards, adding more value, and thinking, okay, so what type of client do I want to attract? Do I want to attract the bottom of the barrel clients that aren't even willing to pay me £250 a month for social media management but expect the world? I don't want those type of clients. I want the clients that are going to value me and value my services and value my skill set. I want to know that I'm working with a real quality clients that actually respect my time, respect my energy, and respect my prices. Not people that are going to be asking me for deals and discounts and, you know, if I do this for you, will you do this for me? No. Like, money is an energy exchange. So it's not about the actual cash. It's about what you can get for that. Like, if I'm going to invest in a coach, for example, I'm not going to invest in a coach that costs 50 quid or $50. I'm going to invest in a coach that charges $5,000, you know, because if I'm paying $5,000 for a coach, you better believe that I'm going to show up and I'm going to do the work and I'm going to take it all in and I am going to grow. I am going to absorb every piece of information. Whereas if I'm paying someone $50 or £50, I'm not going to show up. I'm not going to see the value in that. I'm going to think like, why is that person only charging £50 when this coach over here is charging £5,000? Like, what is the difference? Obviously, you're going to think the £5,000 coach is going to be of a lot more value than the £50 coach, right? It's the same with your social media packages. If you are charging next to nothing, what is that potential client going to think about your services? They're going to think that they're rubbish. They're going to think that they're not going to get any results for me. They're not going to be good because they're so cheap, right? It's like if you went to the bargain store or you went to like a decent store to buy something. I always use this analogy about a bottle of wine because it's so true. If you went to a restaurant, right, you would probably buy the same wine that you can buy in the supermarket for a lot less. But you're willing to pay a higher price point because you want the luxury experience. You want to be able to enjoy that wine in a nice setting, a nice environment, probably surrounded by nice people. Or you can go and buy the same bottle of wine and sit at home and drink it on your own. Like, the experiences are different. I'm not saying that your services are poor quality. I'm not saying that you're going to do a bad, you're going to do a bad job on your client's accounts. But the client looking in, they're not going to know that. They're going to be thinking, why is this person charging such low amounts and this person is charging more? I'm obviously going to get a better quality from this person charging more. And it's the same with you. Once you raise your prices, you raise your standards and you start to attract a higher quality of client. So I want you to think about that. I'm not here to tell you what to charge. I am here to tell you that you don't need to wait for permission to raise your prices. If permission is what you need, then this is it. Raise your prices, but make sure that you know that you're adding the value to your client. Maybe you do need to do some more work on your social media skills. Maybe you do need to invest in coaches or courses to be able to get to that next level. If you're just starting out, then yeah, maybe you do need to get a few clients like first off and just practice and get the experience before you go in there with a super high price. But if you know that you provide amazing value, if you know that you do an amazing job for your clients, please, please, please start to value yourself and your work and raise your prices. Because at the end of the day, you are running this business yourself. Like, you are the one in control of what you charge. Nobody else is in control of this. It's just you. So please start raising your prices if you need to. If you still think that you need a little bit more experience, then that's fine. Like, offer introductory prices or do a certain amount for a limited amount of time. But just know that as you develop your skills, as you gain that experience, it is okay to raise your prices. You do not have to stick on the same prices as what you were charging when you first started out. Okay, so I hope that this has helped. I just want to jump on here real quick because I'm going to be turning my phone off for the rest of the day. I have got so much to be knuckling down with. So on the 22nd of October, it's actually my business birthday. 2 years! Yes! So I just posted a story to Instagram stories this morning, and 2 years ago today, I was hiking a massive mountain in Peru, and my business was born in Peru. But at this point in time, 2 years ago, owning a business wasn't even a thought, and Social Cactus wasn't even an idea 2 years ago today. I actually created my business. Well, I actually officially claimed the Instagram handle, and I built my crappy WordPress website in a hostel in Peru. on the 22nd of October. So to celebrate my business birthday, I am launching a special online course. And it's the first time that I've said it out loud. So whoop whoop to you watching. I'm going to be launching an online course. Nobody else knows yet apart from you guys in this group right now. So I'm going to be launching an online course. It's a very, very super affordable, low investment, guys. I know that so many of you want to work with me, but you're just not in a position right now to book onto one of my high ticket programs right now. This is the perfect stepping stone for you. And there's going to be a 48-hour flash sale when it launches on the 22nd of October. If you are interested to know more, let me know. Give me some kind of emoji or a yes in the comments if you want me to send you more information, because there will be a flash sale and I do not want you to miss out if this is what you want. Basically, it's going to be my magnetic marketing group program, but the online course version. So it's going to be a self-study. You will work through all the modules yourself. There will be a private Facebook group as well. So you will get to have that community and that support system that way. And you can also upgrade to the VIP package, which includes one-to-one session with me also. But all details will be announced ASAP. I just want to come on here and share that news with you because I'm so excited. My first online course. And that is what I am busy working on for the next few weeks. So I'm so excited to share that news with you. We'll also be talking about pricing in there as well. So if you do need help with pricing and you are a bit unsure, then this is exactly what you need. You're also going to learn exactly how to niche down, how to find your ideal clients, how to market yourself, how to sell, how to do all the things. It's basically my group program, but the online version. So that's it from me, guys. Have a fabulous Monday. If you do have any more pricing questions, let me know. Katie's saying that she sucks at charging. I did a check on local rates last week and so many people charge £300 per platform. Good for them. Let them charge £300 per platform. What can you do that's more than £300? How can you add value to that? What is your skill set? What can you bring to the table? What is your superpower, Katie? What can you do that nobody else can do? Because that is what you want to bring to your services. Yeah, there's a million people charging £300. I used to charge £300 for Instagram, but then I raised my prices and added more value and created a much better customer experience. You don't know what these people are giving for £300. You don't know what skills that they have. You don't know what results that they're getting. That could be like such a basic, crappy package. Like, you don't want to offer that. You want to offer an amazing, killer program / service, whatever it is that you're going to sell. Anyway, that's it from me. I am going to go because I need to go get cracked on. Oh, there's one more question. Louise is saying, after 12 months, I want to increase a client's investment. How is best to manage this process? So you just need to tell them, reach out to them and just say that because of the continued learning and because of your experiences and skill sets expanding, that your rates will be changing to reflect that level of growth. And the new price going forward from this date will be this. If you would like to continue, please let me know. If you want to have a discussion about this, let me know. We can jump on a call. Or you appreciate that if they don't want to continue with you, that's absolutely fine. Because at the end of the day, they don't have to stay working with you if you raise your prices. But, you know, everyone raises their prices. It's inflation. If you're not raising your prices at least once every year, every few years, then you're actually like giving yourself a pay cut because the rest of the world is giving itself a pay rise. So you need to keep up. Keep up, girl. Keep up. Anyway, I hope that helps. I do help my clients a lot more than that. We put together an email to send out, and I word it much better. Anyway, guys, have a fabulous, fabulous week, and I'll speak to you all soon.